The 2nd of the year 5785, the 30th of April 2025. Romans 8:28 provides reassurance and comfort in these crucial situations as it is written. And we know that God causes all things to work together for good for those who love God, to those who are called according to His plan and purpose. This verse confirms that even in disappointment, God's hand is at work for the good of believers. This verse is a cornerstone of understanding God's plan and purpose in the midst of life's difficulties. Now Jeremiah 29:11 makes sense when God said, I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, to give you hope and a future. In life's disappointments, difficulties and burdens, there is only one call. But first and most importantly, seek His kingdom and His righteousness, and all these things will be given to you also. Matthew 6:33. God's righteous right hand upholds us. Isaiah 41:10. It is written, yes, amen.